What's going on, everybody? Another day here. Got some Amazon boxes, and let's open it up and see what we have. By the way, I ordered this yesterday. I do a lot of hiking, and I walk on the beach, and I wear flip-flops pretty much every day, all day. And I decided that I need to start taking better care of my feet because they look horrendous. So I ordered a callus remover or a foot scrubber, and it's pink. We love pink. This one's an electric rechargeable one, and let's open it. Let's see what we got in the box. So nice. That's it. Nothing else in the box. So I'm just gonna set that right there. You can see it. So it comes in a nice plastic. Oh, we got the instructions. User guide instructions right here. Comes with the rechargeable cord and plug for USB. And then you have the actual device in here. Comes in this little bag. So each area has like a plastic cover over it to help protect it. And it works. And then it came with a little brush, I'm assuming to kind of wipe off any dust that's on there. Let's try it. So if you move the lever down, it controls this one. If you move it up, it controls that one. So far, just in a couple minutes of using it. One thing I can't test is the durability because I've only had it open for a couple minutes. But I can tell you already, even now, like rubbing this, that's still very, very, very abrasive. I've been using it now, you know, like you've heard. This is not smooth yet. So that'll be a test as to how long these actually last. And then I haven't even read yet to see where I can get these other pieces. They do have buttons, so they are removable. You can see that, and it actually collects dust. So even for cleaning purposes, this is a good thing to have. But you can see the dust. The brush comes with it. Yeah, look at that, clean and brand new. Brand new again. All right, perfect. Electric callus remover. I give this thumbs up. I give it a 5-star.